Today I'm building the exhaust on the A4. Just doing a full 2.5 inch from the test pipe back. I got the exhaust off and I lined up the tubing and the bends the way that it's going to need to be. And then right now my dad's welding the downpipe.
Hi, I'm an exhaust. Yeah.
I just got to the park by my house because I don't want to drive my neighbors too crazy just revving it. And as you can hear from that little startup, it pops like a little bit when you rev it, but not between shifts or anything. And I don't want it to be crazy, but I want to hear some nice pops. So I know she has it in her, so let's just see if we can get some pops going on. Just gonna go ahead and open up Lemmy Winks. What the heck? I've never seen that before. Messing with today is secondary fuel tweak and fuel tweak on decreasing loads. So I'm gonna go ahead and add 3 clicks on secondary fuel tweak. Alright, so it seems like it's popping a little bit more just from adding to secondary. If I rev it all the way up, it'll give it a nice loud pop at like 6,000. Alright, so it's hard to hear on camera, but at about at like 6,000, if I really floor it, it gives it a pretty loud pop. So I'm just gonna, I haven't added ignition timing. I'm gonna take that off, so it's back at 0, and then I'm gonna add 2 more clicks of secondary fuel tweak. Quite a bit of extra fuel on decreasing load. I think I'm actually gonna take that about 3 clicks down. So it seems to be doing a lot more of like the little popcorn when I rev it. It's not as loud as I would like it to be, but I'm starting to get some dirty looks. So I'm just gonna go for a little drive around the neighborhood and see if it pops at all on diesel. Okay, I don't know if you guys can really hear this on camera, but the pops are there. It's not a loud pop, it's just like a little burble.